Hello, this is a quick video about my aquasonic toothbrush that I had for 4 months and stopped working. And I have two of them, and the first one is still running. It's about a year and a half, and then I decided to buy me one. And this one is the newer one. Stopped working with the 4 months. So I contact the manufacturer. In 1 week I had a brand new one at home, but this is the old one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble this and check the battery. So you can see this is the place that goes into the charger, wireless charger. You just put it on top of it and it charges it. So if you can see, there is a little sticker covering the screw. So you remove this screw and you take this out. This is the wireless charger here, right? It goes into the base. Then what you do, you take this a little plastic cover and you push this in like this, and you remove the whole thing out of the package. It's very well made, you can see, and it has this rubber boot here that you can remove it. Then there is another ring. Let's see here. Right there. Just all silicone. So remove that. Then we remove this screw. Second one. And the middle one, third one. And this comes out, right there. So you take the whole cover out, and that's the battery here. You can see the battery. It has some marks. The battery is, let's see, ICR 14430, 650 milliamp, 3.7 volts. Wonder if it can, probably it's not gonna fit 18650 in here, but I think that's what the problem is. So that's how to disassemble an aquasonic electric toothbrush. If you can get this battery online and replace it, we have a brand new one. Thank you for watching. Thank you.